Hello students, I am your English teacher Ruchi Singh and today we are going to read class 5 English lesson number 7, Who Will Play With Me? This is a story about a boy named Rohit who does not like study at all. One day he went to a park and meet some living beings, means creatures, and then he changes himself. Why does he change himself? Let us find out. See, this is Rohit. He does not like his studies. All of his friends go to school daily, but he does not go there. See, he is sitting in a park in morning time when his friends have gone to school. He wanders here and there. Wanders means to walk slowly, often without any purpose. One day he goes to the garden near his home. He finds no other children in the garden to play with. One morning he doesn't go to school and he went to a park, but there were no children because they all had gone to their school. He sits on a bench under the big banyan tree. After some time, he notices a peacock dancing near the flower beds. He sits on a bench in the park as we seen in the picture, and then he notices a peacock who was dancing. Rohit walks to the peacock and says to him, "Will you play with me?" See, Rohit is asking peacock, "Will you play with me?" The peacock says, "I am busy. I am dancing, so I cannot play with you." What does peacock say? That I am busy, I am dancing, so I cannot play with you. Then Rohit meets a dog. He asks him, "Will you play with me?" The dog says, "I am busy. I am looking after my master's house, so I cannot play with you." Dog's duty is to look after his master's house and he was doing his duty, so dog also denied to play with Rohit. He happens to see a parrot, crow, sparrow and horse. He asked them the same question, "Will you play with me?" Then he asked same question with parrot, crow and sparrow and horse, but they all denied. "We are busy, we have many things to do, we cannot play with you," they reply. They all said that they have many things to do, so they cannot play with Rohit. This has a great impact on Rohit. Impact means a powerful effect. When all living beings say no to Rohit, then he think about it. He says to himself, "All of them are busy. They are doing something. It is only I who is not working." Then he thinks that all are working, but I am the only person who is not working, and his work is to go to school and study. Now I will also do my work and keep myself busy. Now he decided to do his work. I will give up my laziness. Give up. Give up means to stop doing or owing something, and laziness, the quality of being unwilling to work, as Rohit was. He returns home and decides to go to school daily. Then he decides to go to school daily and study. Decides means to think carefully and choose what to do. He starts studying attentively and completes his homework also. Attentively means carefully. Then he starts studying carefully. He learns his lessons regularly. In the evening, he goes to the playground and finds his friends there. at morning time there were no friends of Rohit, but in evening time he play with his friends in the garden. He plays with them for about an hour. After returning home, he takes his dinner and then revises what he studied at school. Revise. Revise means to study again something you have already learned, as we do before exams, that is revision or revise. With this change in his behavior, he is now liked by everyone. Now he is going to school daily and he is doing his homework, he is playing with his friends and doing all things properly. So everyone liked him now. His teacher praised him for his punctuality and his parents feel proud of him. Punctuality. Punctuality means the habit of not getting late. Now he do all his work at proper time. He goes to school daily and do his homework daily and revise what he had studied in the school. And now Rohit has changed and his parent now liked him and everyone like him and teacher praise him. So that was the story about Rohit. Hope you all understand it. Thank you.